Now that I was not expecting. That's probably why I got the truck so freaking cheap, because I thought it was just because, this thing's all blocked right the fuck up. But obviously we have head gasket, so it's probably why it's all wet down in there. Yeah, see. So, I guess that's gonna be the next thing to do. Besides like the exhaust, fucking bumper. Oh, I didn't want to do a head gasket. Maybe I can get away with it with some of that sealant radiator fucking head gasket stop leak. Maybe we can get that to work. Oh, I guess we'll give that a try tomorrow. But it's definitely wet. Let you blow water out, that's for sure. Oh, yeah, shop's definitely smoky now. Not nearly as bad as it was. I guess we'll try head gasket sealer first. If that doesn't work, then I guess we're pulling the whole top end and we get to do top end things. So, till next time. Alright, so we got the new alternator in. We put in our head gasket treatment. You missed all of it. The camera fucking died on me as we were doing it. So, I got pressure. We're not smoking anymore. Everything seems to be staying dry. And like 10 more minutes before we can turn it off. Let it sit. Let it cool off and do it again. So we're getting there. Looking like the head gasket treatment's going to work. So I'll let you know in a bit. First, let's check the temperature. See where we're at. Well, we're at normal, so we're not overheating yet. So that seems like it's good. Heavily almost out of gas. Hopefully we got enough to do this. Alright, well, it's been another 15 minutes. We're almost at 45 minutes. Truck hasn't overheated yet. So we'll shut her down. And we'll let her cool off. And then we'll start it again later. It is fucking hot in here. What are we at? We're about almost freaking 95 degrees in this shop. Yep, I got full pressure, so we'll let that cool down. So that definitely is hardened up. So we'll let that cool. We'll check our fluids. I don't know, later tonight, probably after I come back from work. And then we'll go from there. And we can pull the front bumper off, put the tires on, do the exhaust. Whew, it's fucking hot in here today. So, till the next step. First, let's check the temperature, see where we're at. Well, we're at normal, so we're not overheating yet. So that seems like it's good. Heavily almost out of gas. Hopefully we got enough to do this. Alright, so got the bumper off. We got our oil drained. So basically it's a little bit milky in there, you can see. I mean, it's not terrible, but it's definitely watery. So we got new oil, we got our fan filter on, got my aero filter, some more pieces for the exhaust, and we got thunderstorm coming in again. we're gonna get some oil in this, and then we'll mock up the front bumper. Well, sounds like it's hailing. Oh yeah, it's definitely hailing. Pretty crazy. There it was. There's no one. Pretty crazy. Good size little ball. So it's probably not where we're gonna put the bumper. It might come up a little bit higher. I'll have to definitely make some brackets and everything for this to get it to fit. But getting there a little bit at a time. You guys kind of enjoyed that little hailstorm. But I got some more trees down again. So let's see. We got the oil changed. We did the head gasket. That self-fix shit. So all we gotta do is make the brackets and everything for the bumper, get the exhaust on, and then we can put our tires on, and then go from there. Started the other day for me, but I also ran it out of gas, so. get warmed up, so running. Don't have a lot of smoke. All nice and dry. So we'll probably change the spark plugs in it anyways. Seems to be working right now. Look at that pressure. Alright, so I got the exhaust on now. I'll get the bumper on next. So, there we go. Got our downspout. We gotta hook those wires up still. Run it all the way back into our down tube. So that part is done. There's the new winch. Whew. Now we'll get this all put in. So I'm gonna pull this off. Grab some steel here. Start making our brackets and everything so we can get this mounted on. And then we can put our tires on, put the winch on, finish the fuse box and everything, and should be ready to take it over. Alright, so we got the front bumper on. Now we can break out the winch. We still have to wire up the headlights, well, fog lights. See if we can get them to work on the original fog lights. What are lines were down here on the other side, at least for two of them. Not, we'll just wire them up like regular. So let's get the winch, see if it's going to fit in that pocket and if I have to trim any of that up front. So definitely going to have to do some trimming. So we're going to have to come up here, here. Just enough clearance underneath the logo. So I get that cut out. I get a nice fair length roller, so that should all get bolted up. Just hope that the bolts hold up, line up to the holes on the bumper for the winch. So let me get this trimmed up. Alright, so we got the lights all wired in. Got the winch welded, wired in. The push bar is welded on. Damn thing didn't come with bolts. We got the D-rings on. Exhaust is done. Hood doesn't latch, so we have a strap on it for right now. So we're going to take this out and see what it looks like outside. And I think the cat had kittens, so I think she's up over there in the ceiling somewheres. So I'll keep you guys posted on that when we get to them. Truck is out. We don't have the other tires on it yet. It's still in the box. Seems like it's doing pretty good so far. And the bumper looks pretty damn good. And we definitely could do some clean up stuff on the edges. But she ain't terrible. It's pretty good. Woo-hoo. Almost ready for delivery. That's it for this truck. Maybe next time you'll see it over at the other property. Having fun. Till next time. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. And we'll keep you posted on how the head gasket's doing. Oh, there's Casey. So she's up at her new property, waiting for him to get home so he can see his surprise. So hopefully he will enjoy this. I'll let him put the tires on and everything. So till next time, this is where this one's going to be for a while. So we threw the switch in down here for the lights on the bumper. So let's see how bright they are. Well, they look like they're pretty bright. Oh yeah. They'll definitely do. It's not dark enough yet, but they're bright. They're lighting up the ground pretty good.
Later.